Hey guys, welcome to another installment of Color Combos with Crystal. I have a sweet birthday card today for today's installment with minimal Copic coloring. I'll be using So Glad You Were Born for the stamp set, using black alcohol-friendly marker ink, pink pirouette, and slate gray from Stampin' Up, of course Copic's, pretty pink posh gems. So let's get started. First, I decided I was gonna rough up my stamp because this is new for me. I'm gonna add my sentiment to the left off center of the card in pink pirouette from Stampin' Up. Next, I'm gonna stamp the cute cake, again roughing up my stamp so it holds the color a little better. And I'm going to be stamping the birthday cake repetitive motions on my card, and I'm not going to have a specific pattern. I'm just kind of going all around wherever it lands, wherever I could fit that cute little cake. On a separate piece of cardstock, I am stamping the cake with alcohol-friendly ink, and I'm gonna do my Copic coloring for this. I'm gonna start with the pink. I'm gonna color the sweet cheeks, the bottom frosting, the top frosting, and just adding a few little details there with the heart. Moving on to the yellow, I'm coloring the flames, creating a metallic cake base, so adding N4 and then shading with the lighter of a Copic into the center. And now moving on to the actual frosting of the cake. I'm going to start by using BG32 on the edges, as this is going to be where the shadow sits. And then using my BG10, I'm going to do the kissing technique because I do not have a middle color, and this will allow it for blending a little better. And then once I get that darker color off of it, I'm gonna blend in and then repeat with the darker. And now that my cake is absolutely perfect, I'm going to go ahead and use the same shade onto some of the candles details, and adding pink candle and some gray to that. Once I have colored that, I'm going to go ahead and hand cut around it, or fussy cut. Once that is cut, I'm going to be using foam adhesive from 3M onto the back of my cut image. I'm going to place that off center next to my sentiment. And I felt that we needed some of those gorgeous pink gems from Pretty Pink Posh using Nuvo Drops Clear. I adding some drops where I plan to place these gems, and then I decided to place the gems. And that, my friends, does it for that sweet background cake, perfect for a friend. Thank you so much for joining me. Have an awesome day.